Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Optoma UHZ35 gaming and home entertainment laser projector. So friend, Optoma has introduced the UHZ35, a true black 4K UHD laser projector for optional gaming experience, movies and home entertainment viewing, and join the company's line of award-winning true 4K projector and a short throw model, the UHZ35 HD, and embrace yourself in cinematic brilliance and gaming excitement with the new Optoma UHZ35 and experience your favorite movies coming to life with breathtaking 4K UHD detail and vibrant colors and delivering superior color 3500 lumens and 5 lakh German content ratio. And the new projector provide vibrant true to life visual for watching movies, TV shows, live sport and gaming, and you can up to 100-inch image from the less than 1 foot away from the screen or projection surface for convenient use in any room, no matter any location. And the projector is also WiSA SoundSend certified to deliver wireless audio excellence and work seamlessly with the other WiSA certified product right out of the box. And WiSA technology enable ultra high quality audio to transmit and receive wirelessly, and the perfect synchronization and no perceivable latency and suitable for console to PC gaming. And the projector is a big screen experiment is a big screen experience for avid gamers and deliver input response that unrivaled perceivable latency and 4 times the standard refresh rate up to 240 Hz in 1080p and ultra low input lag of 4.4 millisecond for PC alongside 4K 60 Hz refresh rate and 17 ms. And the UHZ35 gives hardcore gamer a competitive advantage with the smooth, crystal clear images and responsive gameplay at every point of action, from speeding down the raceway to engaging in epic battles. And for optional and accurate viewing experience, the projector HDR10 and HLG support brilliant color with DCI-P3 Color Gamut, all black by true 4K UHD technology with display 8.3 million pixel for detailed lifelike video playback and impressive 3D content including Blu-ray Disc player, broadcast and latest generation game console. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.